This is a Rooster themed recipe binder. It's a nice graphic on the front. It's a really nice thick spine here. Stores lots of recipes. You'll see it's got comes with a little notepad for writing some notes to yourself on. A little dedication page. And you'll see it includes some little tips and trips on like breads for the bread section, appetizers and beverages. It's got little weights and measures. Just a well thought out binder. We really like this binder. You'll see that it also has a few 4x6 recipe card sleeves for storing recipe cards inside. And it's got plenty of space, as you can see, for storing a lot more recipe card sleeves. So if you have a big collection of recipe cards like I do, you're going to want to pick up some extra recipe card sleeves, which you can get at the Cookbook people. It's a really nice Rooster themed half-page recipe binder available from the Cookbook people.